Are you new to cryptocurrency trading and get frustrated with losing your hard-earned money to the hungry markets? Or don't have time to stay long analyzing those confusing and boring charts? Thank yourself for clicking on this video. This is the remedy to your long suffering. I am going to show you a trading strategy that lets you copy other experienced traders' techniques, allowing you to make money whether you lack experience with the crypto charts or just lazy to keep analyzing the markets each and every time. This strategy is, there, you guessed it, copy trading. We'll be using the Bybit platform to perform this trading. Find my earlier video about Bybit in the description to guide you through this crypto exchange in case you don't know how to use it or want to get more insights. Copy trading is a strategy that uses automation to buy and sell crypto. It allows you to copy another trader's strategy, so you don't need a lot of time or expertise personally. There are a lot more to learn from our Patreon page that's exclusive for our patrons. You get regular updates on books that help you towards financial and personal development in both summarized version and PDF. Get early access to these videos popping up here on YouTube and also voting rights. Finally, get to learn about forex trading with us. Bybit platform presents you with a plethora of master traders that you can copy from and make some lucrative profits. You can easily sign up on this platform by grabbing my link in the description. Once you've signed up here, deposit some USDT into this platform. Everything about this procedure is in my earlier video about Bybit. It's now time to interact with the copy trading techniques. In order to access Bybit copy trading, you can either go to the derivatives part or the tools bar. So when you click the derivatives part, you can see there's copy trading, and also under the tools bar you can see there's also copy trading. It's based on what you'll actually prefer to choose. Just clicking the copy trading. Here's the copy trading dashboard. We can see how they are all listed here. We have the top traders by ROI. We also have traders with the highest profit for followers, the master traders with the lowest drawdowns, and the top intraday traders. In here you can do your research and pick the best trader that you want to trade with. When picking your master trader, there's some things that you need to keep an eye on. Things to look on are asset under management, the profit the master trader do make for his followers, the leverage that the master trader do use. When you choose a master trader who use very high leverage, you can actually lose money when you trade with such kind of a master trader. It's best that you choose a master trader who uses minimal leverage. The number of days that the master trader has been trading on Bybit is also essential to look into. Here are some of the top traders that you may actually want to take a look into. The first one is number 5, Real World, and the second one is number 7, Scrooge. One of the parameters that I've used to pick out these two traders is on the asset under management. You can see number 5 has over $1 million asset under management, and the second one has $135,767. The asset under management is actually huge. These are traders that actually they know what they are doing. When they have this amount of money that they are managing, it means that they are very good traders. We are here on the dashboard of scalp trading. This is the master trader scalp trading. He's been given a silver icon here by Bybit. Some of the information to see here is his number of followers 153. The total number of trading days here on Bybit, he has 66 days. The total amount of asset in his account is over 5,000 USDT. You can also see the number of slots that he has remaining, 847 of them left. Whenever choosing your master trader that you are going to copy from, is also essential to look on the profit sharing ratio. This is the amount of commission that you are going to pay to the master trader whenever you win any trade with him or her. So you can see from scalp trading, you are going to be paying 12% commission to him. We have here more information about this trader. Everything is set by 90 days so that we can see a bigger picture of actually what this master trader has been doing. So we have 90-day ROI. He has given us plus 11%, which is so great. When you look at the followers P&L, it's over $1,800. Then the maximum drawdown is only 4.07%. Looking in the followers, you can see this guy has 590 followers. Then the win rate for 90 days is 77.16%. That is very good with us. It's also good to see the type of tokens that the master trader do choose to trade on. It's good to see that your master trader is actually choosing the blue chip tokens like BTC, Ethereum, LTC, and others. When your master trader mostly do pick DGen tokens, this one automatically means that you can easily lose your money when you do choose that type of master trader, because these other tokens are so volatile. So you can see our master trader here mostly do trade Ethereum. We are okay with choosing Ethereum. So 85% of his trade are actually Ethereum. Under the lowest drawdown category, one of the traders that has caught my eye is this one called Coinstar. The asset under management is $187,000 and the ROI is plus 23%. This one has a silver icon, total number of followers 531, 36 trading days, which is not so bad. You can see the number of slots open, setting everything by 90 days. Under performance, you can see we have 90-day ROI plus 24.68%. Very cool. The master's P&L is over $1,400 and the followers have earned over $37,000. The maximum drawdown is 10%, which is not so bad. Averagely, you can make $8 per trade with this master trader. Another cool feature is that he mostly trade Ethereum and Bitcoin, which are blue chip tokens. The only issue I have with this master trader is the amount of leverage that he uses, which is 10x. That is somehow risky to trade with when you are a beginner trader, but looking on the token that he mostly trades, you can still make money with him. And we've seen some huge bucks that he's made for his followers already. Once you're okay with the details of the master trader that you want to trade with, it's now time to go and copy his strategy. So you need to just click the copy icon. Then you will have some details here to enter the amount of USDT that you want to invest with this master trader. You also have the copy stop loss. This is the price that you will get stopped out whenever the master trader is executed into the market and now the market is going against his trade. So once the level that you've set your stop loss at is reached, you'll be cut off from the trade to actually prevent you from losing all your premium. The minimum amount that you can actually invest with this type of trading is 50 USDT. There's something here called Bybit copy guard. What this means is simply that when the master trader is already executed into the market, you can have a better deal by being executed later on into the market when the market drops below. That's in case you are going to be trading the long. In case the master trader is trading a short position, then you will be executed way above the market price so that you'll be having better deals. That's what Bybit copy guard simply means. You can go through these advanced settings to understand them, then make your own settings, or you can just follow what the master trader is doing and have more of his trading features with you. Remember, the more settings you do tweak, the more it means that you are going to be making different amount of profits from the other followers that are primarily following the master trader's procedures. You can as well join Bybit by becoming a master trader. By just clicking the join as a trader, it will now take you into the process of filling in the details to become a master trader. There's some requirements that will be needed to actually finish to become a master trader here at Bybit. This copy trading is a very cool feature for those guys who just want to dip their toes into crypto trading but they do not have skills already. So by just putting your funds with the master trader, it means that you can easily make money with them by leveraging their skills. Also, for those guys who are already skilled enough into the trading, this is an avenue for you to make more money by having followers copying your skills. Remember, they will always be paying you some commissions. So when they pay you, that is also another way for you to get in more money. I hope this video has been helpful to you. For you who actually just wants to get started on trading and don't have time or still lack the skills to start crypto trading. Or for you who has already gained those skills and want to have another avenue to get more money by helping other people. These are service-based technique that you can actually use to have more money coming into your pocket. Cons of copy trading. Past success of master traders does not ensure future success. Due to slippage, the ROI of followers might not be the same as that of their master trader. Every trader has a different risk appetite. You can lose big money if you are using all of your savings to copy a trader who has a high risk tolerance and a lot of money to play with. Pros of copy trading. Saving time. Copy trading lets you free up your time for other matters while the software does the work for you. The opportunity to learn how to trade. Earning on trades in the absence of necessary experience. You get to invest your money based on statistics instead of letting your emotions impact your trades. Copy traders are less likely to make mistakes due to panic or FOMO since you are following expert traders. You can make informed trades without having to do all the research and learn about crypto trading. It's true that there are risks involved with copy trading, so never play with all your savings. But it can be a game changer for those looking for an easy way to automate their trading journey. Automation is to your time, as compound interest is to your money. Check out my Patreon page for more exclusive content. Peace.